Alright guys, welcome back. My name is Aloysius Okoye, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to design logo and mockup with your smartphone. You can see I'll be recreating this with my smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, we'll be using our PixelLab application to do this. So I'll click on my PixelLab application. You can see. So I'll be clicking on the PixelLab application. Also, so this is my home page. So the first thing I need to do is to change. Let me just change the background color of this. For now, to maybe this. I will still change all this. So I'll be removing this. So the first thing we need to do is to type in the logo name, which is MK. That is Maken. So I'll click on OK. I'll just drag this thing. I'll increase this size. Let's increase it a bit so you can be able to move it to the middle. Alright. So change the font style to, you can use any font of your choice, but I'm going to be using this Montserrat Black. That's what I'm going to be using. You can see. So the next thing is you insert a shape. You click here. So you insert this third shape here. I'm going to insert this shape. So let's change the color. Okay. Let's change. Let me insert this shape here. Let's change the color to black. We'll see change the color of the text to black as well. So okay. So I'll position it at the middle. Anything you are doing, try to be zooming in and out so you can get a better view of what you are doing. So you can see. So let me change the text color to black as well. Text color to black. Okay, so let's zoom out. So the text color is black as well. So the next thing we'll be doing is I'm going to be duplicating this. I'm going to be merging them. I'll merge the two together. I'm going to duplicate it. That is copy. So you go back to this dot and you copy it. Now we have to position it to be. So you just go to relative position. This one should be in the center. Then you click OK. Then you click on the other one. Relative position. This one too should be in the center and in the center. You can see now the both of them now are together and in the same position. The next thing we need to do now is to now I'm going to be locking this first one. I'm going to be locking it, probably make it invisible. Then I'm going to insert a shape now. And this shape I'll be insert. So we'll be inserting a shape. Now we're inserting a rectangular shape. You can see it. So this shape I will just move it. And you can see. So let's just click OK and zoom in a bit. Let's zoom in a bit. So we'll be adjusting this thing. We'll be positioning this white at the middle of this. So you can see. Let's just say this is fine. Position. Bring it out a bit. See, this is fine. Let's zoom out. Now I'm also going to be duplicating this shape I inserted. So copy. Now bring it here. I'll be zooming in as well. So I'm going to be placing these two here. Same thing. I'll move this one to a bit up. So you see, I'll zoom out. So the next thing is I'm going to make lock one. Make it visible. That is the upper one. So I'll be grouping these two that are visible. That is this one. Sorry, the one that are visible, which is this down one and the second one. So I'll be merging them together. Merge. Okay. So you can see. The next thing, they are not together. So the next thing I will be doing is I'm going to be erasing this white part of it under the erase color. So you click on it. I'll turn on it. This, you can see it has erased the white part of it. So all I just need to do is to now come here. I will just increase smooth edges a bit. So I'll just increase it a bit, like 2. Now click OK. So you can see we now have half of it. So we'll do the same thing. I'm going to be locking this, and we'll be reopening the other one. So we'll also do the same thing to it. So at this point now, we'll be merging the both of them. That is this one and this. That is the second and the third one. You can see we've now merged them. So we'll also do the same thing by erasing the white part of the background. Erase color, turn it on. You can see. Then I will just increase the edge, that is smooth edges. Smooth edges. You can see. Then okay. So you can see you now have, if I should open this and this, you can see what we're having. So the next thing now is to now if you want to change this thing, if you want to change the color to your taste, now we have to export each and every one of this, because as it is now you cannot change the color. Even if you come here, you cannot change the color. So all you just need to do is to, the color will not change at this point. So we'll be exporting them separately as a PNG format, then re-importing them again. So I'll be exporting this now. So I'll be clicking on the save icon, save as image. Before then I'll make the background transparent as this, so you can see. So click on save as. You can see format PNG, so that it will save without background. I'll click on save. Now I'll lock the other part of it. I'm going to be locking this upper one, making it invisible, then opening the second one, and I'll still do the same thing. I will say save this as image. Now it's going to be format is PNG. You can see it here. You can see PNG format. So I'm going to be clicking on save to gallery. So having saved each and every part of it, so now we'll be re-importing these two of them. We'll be re-importing them again. So you just go to here, import, click on import, you take it to your file storage. Then I'll go to my recent, I'll go to my recent. You can see these are the two files I just exported, these first two here. So we click on OK. Same thing apply. I will still also import the other one, second one, and I'll click on OK. You can see we now have the both of them right here now. So the next thing I'll be doing is, let me change the color. Now of the down one. So let's look at the initial plan. You can see the upper part is what is light green, while the other one is, the down part is blue. So now we'll give the down part blue, which is this. So we're changing the color now. Color, once you turn, you can see the color is now changing. So we're changing it to what? To blue. I think this is the blue we use. Then okay. So I'll be opening the other part of it, which is the upper part. Then lock the other part. So this one I'll be giving it a color. And the color we're giving it is this. You can see? Click on OK. Then when you open the boat, we'll have this. You can see? Look at what we want to design, and we are closer to this. So now I will just select the both of them, then increase the size. Okay, this is position. Let's position it first. Let's position it, bring it down, up, then okay. Then I also want to increase the size. So increase the size. Increase the size again. Position, bring it back. You can see, and bring it up. So this is it. You can see how we created this. So the next thing we'll be doing is I'm going to be importing the background I'll be using now at this point, because I don't want. So I'll be importing the background from my gallery. So I have a folder already for my background. So I'll be going to be importing the background I'll be needing for this. So the background I'll be making use of is this. Here's the background. So if I click on it, so you can see it has inserted already. So the next thing I'll just need to do now is to let's adjust. Sorry, back. So now let's shift this a bit up. Position. No, let's bring it down a bit. Position. Upper. Okay. So now at this point, I'm going to be merging these two together now. I'm going to be merging them together. These first two merge, okay, so you can see. So we can now resize, place it. So at this point I'm going to be cutting the video so that it's not going to be too long, so I'll be continuing in the next video. Thank you.